So right now I have about 7 crypto bots running. The first one is down 25%, second one we're down 23%, 51%, 48%, 42%. Then we have this one that's down 75%, and this one is down 53%. Right now, I am down on all of my crypto bot positions. So in this video, I'm going to be going over all of my bots and share if crypto trading bots are worth it or not. Is it a scam? Do they work? Do they not work? Let's find out. If you are interested in learning more about Pionex and crypto trading bots, I do have a dedicated playlist linked down below, but I thought this would be an excellent time to talk about crypto trading bots, especially when the market is down. I know it's really easy to create videos when the market is bullish and everything is green, and I can show you my phone and be like, look how great the market's doing, look how great my bot is doing. Trust me, it's a lot easier to show my portfolio, my trading bots when things are going up. But on this channel, I want to make sure that I am transparent and that I also share my losses and my journey as well. I know the markets are really rough right now, and sometimes you look at your own portfolio and you wonder, did I do something wrong? But I'm here to let you know that you did not do anything wrong, and this is just part of the market. First of all, what is a crypto trading bot? Well, it pretty much is what it sounds like. It's a robot that trades crypto on your behalf. You set it up, it trades for you 24/7. But is it always going to be profitable? And the answer is no. Obviously, you could tell by my intro, all my bots are down, but there's also a long answer of yes, it can be profitable if you set up the right bots the right way with the right crypto. And they have tutorials on each and every single one of them on their website. Also, there's a guy named Jay within Pionex. He's an incredibly awesome guy. He writes amazing newsletter about technicals, market conditions. He goes through some on-chain analysis and writes everything so it's easy to understand yet being informative, and he gives recommendations on moonbots, grid trading bots, and manual trading. I am subscribed to their weekly market updates, and if you'd like to as well, I'll leave the link down below so you can subscribe. But personally, from my experience, out of these 16, my favorite one is going to be the grid trading bot or the Bitcoin Ethereum moonbot. I'll share more on that later, but I want to talk about what happened to these 7 bots that I've created and why am I down so significantly on it. What would I differently, and some advices for you. Now, this portfolio is pretty much an experiment. I chose 10 coins that had a lot of hype that people were saying you should buy because it's going to go do a 10x, a 50x. And I was like, you know what? It'd be interesting if I bought these coins at the beginning of the year and see where they would end up at the end of the year. So far, not so great. But if one of these coins end up doing a 10x, then I'm going to at least break even or be in slight profit. But all 10 of these can fail and pretty much go down 99%. I know 10K is not a small amount to experiment with, but it was a reward risk that I was willing to take. And all of these coins were invested equally, so it was $1,000 each. Now, this is another rebalancing bot, but it's between Ethereum and Polkadot. This one is set to rebalance every 15 minutes. So if Polkadot decides to go up a little bit, then it's going to sell, take profit, and buy Ethereum. And then if Ethereum goes up, well, it's going to take profit, sell, and buy the dip on Polkadot. So it's pretty much helping each other out. I guess if I could go back in time, I would actually change Polkadot into Bitcoin instead, because I should have kept one Bitcoin, one altcoins, instead of doing both altcoins. Like this one over here, this is only a $326 bot, but it's between Ethereum and Bitcoin, and it's only down 25%. Now, the next 3 bots that I'm about to show you was experimental as well. I did create a separate video on this. I'll leave that video link down below, but it was just to prove that when you hold majority Bitcoin and Ethereum, you're going to experience less downside. Although the upside might not be as great, you're trying to protect yourself from the downside as well. So the first bot has majority Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I'm only down around 42% compared to what if I held no Bitcoin, I'd be down 48%, but I'd be holding majority Ethereum. Now, let's say you created a portfolio where you're holding no Bitcoin and no Ethereum and just altcoins. Well, you'll be down a little bit more, which is 51%. This portfolio is holding Cardano, Polkadot, Matic, XRP, and VeChain. So definitely a little bit more riskier holding a altcoin portfolio. Now, the last bot that I'm going to show you is a $10,000 Ethereum Moonbot, but it's also sort of like a grid trading bot. Now, to create a Moonbot, you would scroll all the way up and click on the cryptocurrency of your choice. In this example, I'm going to choose Ethereum. On the bottom right corner, you're going to click on create a bot. Then if you scroll down just a little bit, you're going to see ETH and BTC Moonbot. I'm going to click on ETH Moon. Then you can select the amount that you want to invest. So for this example, let's just, do 1960, create. And basically what this bot is doing is it's allocating 91% of the USDT to buy Ethereum, and it's going to hold 8.3% of the USDT on the side to buy the dips. Now, the way that I like to view these Moonbots, it's sort of like earning yield on your crypto. So for example, if I bought Ethereum and moved it over to a place like Celsius or crypto.com and earned 6.5%, setting up a Moonbot is pretty much doing that, but you're a little bit more in control of your earnings. So for example, this Ethereum Moonbot has been running for 83 days, so a little under 3 months. And during that time, I've earned a total of $296 in profit, which is close to 3%. And according to this bot, if I decided to hold my position for a year total, then my total grid annualized profit will be around 13%. So this is really interesting for me, right? Because right now my unrealized loss is around 26.8%. But because of the profit that was locked in from the grid trading, I'm actually only down 23.8%. So Bitcoin and Ethereum Moonbot is definitely one of my favorite bots within Pionex. It is a little bit more aggressive, right? You're holding 90% in Bitcoin or Ethereum and 10% in stable coins to buy the dips when the market goes lower. Now, the Moonbot is a form of a grid trading bot, but Pionex does have a dedicated grid trading bot feature. So I do want to set one up today with you all to kind of go over the process. So I'm going to click on create a bot. Over grid trading bot, I'm going to click on create. And then there's going to be the AI strategy and the manual setting. Now, I've only used manual settings in the past, but just recently I started using AI strategy for fun, more experimental, and I realized that this is good enough. For the parameters, you have a 7-day backtest, 30-day and 180 days. The market was definitely a lot more volatile the past 30 days, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on that. And for the investment amount, I'm going to choose 4,000, and then I'm going to click on create. Now, the grid trading bot is going to be a lot less aggressive than the Moonbot. So for example, on the Moonbot, we had like 90% Ethereum, 10% stable coins. For this one, it's going to be around 63% Ethereum and 37% in stable coins. So in terms of the volatility, I'm going to experience a lot less. So for example, if Ethereum went down 50% for some crazy reason, my bot is not actually going to be down 50%. It's going to be down probably something like 40%. I'm kind of guessing here, but that's because out of the $4,000 that I'm holding, only 63% of that is actually going down. And then as the market goes down, 37% of my USDT, which is sort of like my cash on side, will be buying the dips as the market goes lower. So grid trading bots are great for sideways markets or even bear markets. And that's sort of kind of where we're at right now. We're not like at a complete, like just sliding down forever kind of mode, but we're definitely kind of in this choppy kind of sideways consolidation, which is why I wanted to create this bot, because the previous bots that I created, it was kind of with the intention and assumption that the market would continue higher. But this recent correction that we experienced the past couple months was something that I did not see coming. And now that the market has gotten a significant pullback, I've been accumulating Bitcoin every single day, and I thought it'd be a perfect time to set up a bot. So I'm going to click on OK. And the bot has officially been set. So you can see that the price range is going to be from around $1,500 all the way to $2,500. So right now the Ethereum price is around $2,000, and it's going to trade $500 plus and $500 minus, and within that range. What if the Ethereum price goes under $1,500? Well, your stablecoin reserves should have bought all the dips, and you just got to hold until the market goes up. What if the Ethereum price goes above $2,500? Well, by then you'll be either writing up unrealized profits, or the next thing you can do is just close out the bot and create a new one. Now, if I had to give an advice when it comes to grid trading bots or share a strategy, it's that whatever amount that you want to invest, have double the amount and create the bot. So for example, today I actually wanted to just accumulate 1 Ethereum. I was like, you know what? I want to buy 1 Ethereum. But I was like, you know what? Instead, I'm just going to create a grid trading bot. So I had enough money to buy 2 Ethereum, but instead create a grid trading bot where it's technically only buying 1 Ethereum and having the other half on the side, pretty much my cash on side, to buy the dips if the market goes lower and let the grid trading bot trade for me. That way I'll feel good that, hey, I accumulated 1 Ethereum just like as I planned. And yes, there is some cash on side to buy the dip. I could buy it myself, but I'm just going to let the bot do it for me. Now, when my crypto bot is down around 50%, usually I would like to add on to it so I can lower my cost basis. So my 50% would be down to like 25%. But because we are sort of in this mini bear market where altcoins are underperforming compared to Bitcoin, accumulating Bitcoin right now at the time of making this video is a smarter idea. Once there are some signs of clear reversals for Bitcoin and Bitcoin gets above its 20-week SMA or EMA, that is when I will consider accumulating more altcoins, even if it means accumulating a little higher prices than before. In other words, I'm not trying to catch the bottom for altcoins. I'm willing to pay a little bit more knowing that the market will reverse. Now, one thing I do want to make clear is that, setting up a trading bot, whether it's a rebalancing bot or a grid trading bot, it's pretty much identical. I don't want to say identical, but it's pretty close to just buying and holding crypto. Through a trading bot, it'll do a little bit more extra work to help you stay a little bit more profitable and well balanced, but don't expect to outperform the market just by creating a crypto trading bot. In some levels, it may, especially the grid trading bot or Bitcoin Moonbot or Ethereum Moonbot long term, but in most cases, treat it like you're buying and holding crypto. And if you end up outperforming just by a little bit, then that's something to celebrate over and take profit on. Now, some of you are wondering whether Pionex is a legit company or not. I do want to affirm you that they are, right? I met the team. They're incredibly awesome. I went to the Bitcoin Miami Conference 2022 with them, got to meet with them, hang out with them. Being able to work with them closely and to build this relationship with them through this channel has been incredibly amazing. It's been such an honor to meet some of you in person, and I really do look forward to meeting a lot of you in the future. If you ever see me in public, please come up to me and say hi. I love meeting new people, and people like you are the reason why I get to work with amazing companies like Pionex. Whatever the future market conditions may be, I hope that I can always be here for you guys to educate you, help you, even for me to learn and journey along together, even through the ups and the downs. Well, with that said, hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave it down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Over. Good night, good morning. Adios.